Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about comments and data types in Java, and it is especially for second years, and the course name is Object Oriented Programming. So comments is nothing but in a program we will have a statement that will not be executed by compiler or interpreter. That is called comments. For example, if we have a number of codes in a program, but in some cases we are not available for the particular module to be end. At the time, your your programming keywords should be standard, and we are supposed to mention in this line we are doing this, and this is what done in this particular line. So that information will be given, should be given for the program by the programmer for your understanding by other users or by other developers. So that is the main motto to in order to give the comments. So while reading your code itself, while seeing your code itself, you are able to know what is happening inside the particular line. So that information have to be given in your code itself. That is what commenting is. And in short, we will mention like these are the statements in a program that is not executed by the compiler or interpreter. Consider this particular program. So here the first line is public class home, and its next line is main function, and the next third line is it is just printing amigo, and next line is the next line is we have a comment, and next line is best. So amigo is the best. So this is just an single line comment. And here also we have three types of comments. One is single line comments and multiple lines and documentation comment. So for a command is mainly used for making the humans to understand it easier, and it is also give your explanation, description or information related to the particular code. So these are the main thing available for the commands, and it helps to improve the readability of the program, and it is also easy for the programmer or code developer to understand what is happening in the particular code. So this is what the importance of giving commands. And types of Java commands, we have three types. One is single line command, multiple line command, and documentation command. For single line command, we can able to give particular one line for as a command line, and for multiple line command we can give n number of lines for commenting. And for documentation command, it is used while we are creating a documentation for API. So that time we will use your documentation commands, and we will see an example for all these things. So for single line command, for single line we are giving double slash, that will be called as single line command. For multiple line command, slash for star followed by the comments, and then star followed by slash. So this is what the syntax for giving multiple line command. And for documentation command, slash double star, and the documentations we have a number of lines, right? Therefore for the lines we will give a star, and at the end we will give star and slash. So this is what syntax for giving documentation command. And next we will see about Java types, Java data types. So this will be broadly divided into two things. One is primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So primitive data type is nothing but it is already available data types of Java, and it is also divided into two things. One is non-numerical, another one is numerical. For non-numerical we have two types, one is boolean and character, and for numerical we have two things, one is integer, another one is float. For integer, byte, short, int, long, and for float and double. And for non-primitive data types, this will be developed by or created by the users when they are required. So it's like example like string, array and all. And so these are the data types, and for range valid values, and for memory allocated for the particular data type. So short, byte, short, integer, long carries from this range to this, and it is allocation of memory like 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 byte, and 8 byte. And for float and double, it have 4 and 8 bytes respectively. For clear char, we have two types, sorry, 2 bytes. And for boolean, we can have only one bit. It may be 0 or it might be 1, so one bit is enough for this boolean. But where in case of character, we want 2 bytes in Java.